Okay, run through my new airline system I made. I bought this compressor a while back. It was a Black Friday special at Tractor Supply. It was under $500. It was a heck of a deal for a 60-gallon compressor. And I made this dryer. Basically to take some of the moisture out of the air. I mean, it's very humid where I live, and other times of the year it's cold and damp, so we get water in the air. There's no way to avoid it. So I used the Rapid Air Max Air kit. Got that at Runnings, I believe. And over here for a drop, and I have a small regulator and filter on that. And I got another drop over here. A little bit bigger regulator on this one, 3/8 regulator, and I got a Harbor Freight desiccant dryer. We'll see how that works. Between that and the system, I may go on Amazon and buy a little bit better one. Dewalt has a pretty good system on there and stuff. I just want to see how this one works. Go over here. And another airline out here. Oh, by the way, the air escaping is a tire leaking on my 36 Hudson. Unless I picked a nail up when I backed it out. Isn't the air system. And I put another drop here. I don't have a filter on this one, or a regulator. Probably will at a later date. This is just so, you know, I need to fill a tire up on a car or something, I could just pull it up. In fact, I just did that a little while ago. Yep, that's my new air system, and kind of anxious to see how it works out.